Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Easter Garden in Garden Game of Roblox Easter update. So guys, there are two ways that you can use to unlock the Easter Garden. The first one, you can go to this area and you can select this option, Swap Garden. Okay, and you will have option to switch to the Easter Garden, or you can use this menu. Okay, you can see the Easter Garden option right here. Click on Swap Garden and click on Switch to Easter Garden. Okay, and it's done. Now the Easter Garden has been unlocked, and we can plant the Easter seed here in the Easter Garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Easter Garden in Garden Game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!